về Đắk Nông, rừng thông mênh mông bạt ngàn, thiền viện Trúc Lâm, đạo nguyên thiêng liêng huyền bí.
Hello everyone, we are in grade 9, class 903 of Trần Secondary School. My name is V and this is me. Hello. Reason for us to participate in this English speaking contest 2022 Đắk Nông Global Trip Inside Iraq. First of all, this is a good chance to gain a deeper understanding of natural and cultural beauty for us, and we also want to promote the attractive destination to both internal and external visitors throughout our experience. So, it's our honor to take you guys on a tour of our hometown, Đắk Nông.
Đắk Nông Geopark covers 4,760 square kilometers of 5 districts and 1 city, including Crono, Cư Rút, Đắk Minh, Đắk Song, Đắk Long, and Giang City. Đắk Nông Geopark was recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage, which is a part of the Central Highland Gong cultural space. Come and visit Đắk Nông Geopark to understand more about the history, ethnic, musical instrument, as well as to experience the rhapsody of fire and water, beginning from Giang and ending at Gia Long Waterfall. Listen to sounds of beer from Giang to Thà Đùng Lake and enjoy wind of change concerto from Cư Rút to Giang, which all together create the special peculiarity of Đắk Nông.
Therefore, today we want to present about Dray Waterfall, which is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Đắk Nông. Dray Waterfall, also known as Smoky Waterfall, very magnificent and impressive beauty. In 1991, Dray Waterfall was recognized as a nation of the scenic spot, and in 1993, Dray Waterfall was recognized as a national landscape. The mountain, forest, river, stream, and waterfall, and the sound of birds chirping combined flowing like symphony in the heart of the forest.
It's about 30 kilometers to the south of Burma city, around near Preforting, so you can go there by motorbike, car, bus, then turn left and travel about 10 kilometers more to reach the cluster tourism area entrance. You will meet the welcome gate of Dray Waterfall. To go down to the waterfall from the exhibition and management, visitors have to walk more 100 very deep stone steps and stand, then go through the jagged rock about 150 meters to go down to the waterfall area.
In the area language, Dray Waterfall means smoky waterfall. Dray is waterfall. Sap is smoke because the water flows from above to the valley, forming a large mass of dust flying mist.
Smoky Waterfall forms a natural, majestic, and pristine landscape with many interesting associated legends, including a touching love story of a beautiful girl named Hermie, who was washed away by a huge water current created by a giant beast. Her lover trying bent to pull her back, desperately watching the girl gradually dissolve into the mist. With grief, the man transformed into a lattice, rooted deep into a rock, looking like a miserable man. The huge water column then transformed into upper Dray Waterfall, with water flows looking like a mist tear, falling day and night for her love, mourning for her love. The story of the typical and faithful girl Hermie and her lover were to be together had touched visitor heart and made a deep impression on them when visiting Dray Waterfall.
It had to be one side, demonstrating Dray's impressive knowledge that you won't be confused national scenic title. Located in the middle of a large natural space is a wide water on year-round. Try the food while it's transit. Natural is a bit quiet again, stay very relaxed and be fulfilling.
The height of Dray Waterfall is about 20 meters, and the width is quite impressive, up to nearly 100 meters. The huge water flows from above to impressive with white water like smoke colors. The ecosystem of Dray Waterfall is quite diverse. There are several ancient forests to the cascade, many of which are perennial up to 100 years old. with enormous and towering canopies, the pine-trees, pine conifers, elms, and so forth. The primitive of woodland is well managed. Because the forest is dense and broad, it preserves a very biological system that can attract birds and other animals.
If visiting in the rainy season, visitors will firmly feel grandeur of large waterfall roaring with wide foam. In the dry season, the water is shallower and clearer. Visitors around April to May, visitors will be surprised by the thousands of wild wildflowers. Swarms of butterflies and bees flutter everywhere looking for flowers to get honey. From the rocky beaches, visitors can take souvenir photos around the waterfall. Visitors can observe the wide bay with the winding stream overlapping mountain range.
Almost all of us have been affected by environmental pollution. It may occur everywhere and depending human consciousness can be heavy or light. This can have a negative impact on the surrounding environment and have a significant impact on the ecosystem in Đắk in particular and the country in general. May harm environment and contaminate Vietnam's so-called pride, affecting the country's economy gradually. The awareness of each person is very important in maintaining a healthy habitat. We can start from simple things like putting waste in the right place, not smoking in public area, and do not destroy trees.
So, this is the end of our video. Also recognized by UNESCO as Pillars of Geology, Biodiversity, Cultural and History. And we created this short video to share our experience with you. And we also play a modest role in marketing our province image.
Therefore, at least once in your life, you should come and visit Dray Waterfall and other destinations in Đắk Nông. I'm sure that you will enjoy the majestic scenery and experience one of the most fantastic cafe in Đắk Nông.
See you soon. Bye.